English shadowing practice for beginners. We have 40 sentences to practice today. Listen and repeat. Let's start. My mother went to the shops. My mother went to the shops. Terry was late for the bus. Terry was late for the bus. The tree grows red apples. The tree grows red apples. I bought a new computer. I bought a new computer. It is raining heavily outside. It is raining heavily outside. She feels very happy today. She feels very happy today. The wind blows the leaves away. The wind blows the leaves away. He is sleeping on the sofa. He is sleeping on the sofa. We ate pizza for dinner. We ate pizza for dinner. He drinks coffee every morning. He drinks coffee every morning. The cake smells delicious. The cake smells delicious. They ordered ice cream at the park. They ordered ice cream at the park. The dog barks at the cat. The dog barks at the cat. Birds fly high in the sky. Birds fly high in the sky. A fish swims in the blue ocean. A fish swims in the blue ocean. The cow eats grass in the field. The cow eats grass in the field. She plays tennis on weekends. She plays tennis on weekends. He reads a thick book. He reads a thick book. They watch movies at night. They watch movies at night. I listen to music on the train. I listen to music on the train. The teacher writes on the board. The teacher writes on the board. Students raise their hands. Students raise their hands. He works in a big office. He works in a big office. She types an email quickly. She types an email quickly. The train arrives at the station. The train arrives at the station. We drive to the beach. We drive to the beach. He rides a bicycle to school. He rides a bicycle to school. The plane flies over the clouds. The plane flies over the clouds. I clean my room every Saturday. I clean my room every Saturday. Mom cooks soup in the kitchen. Mom cooks soup in the kitchen. Dad fixes the broken chair. Dad fixes the broken chair. The baby sleeps in the crib. The baby sleeps in the crib. She buys a blue dress. She buys a blue dress. These shoes are too small. These shoes are too small. He pays with a credit card. He pays with a credit card. The store is very crowded. The store is very crowded. We will visit Grandma tomorrow. We will visit Grandma tomorrow. I'm going to learn Spanish. I'm going to learn Spanish. They plan to build a house. They plan to build a house. She hopes to pass the exam. She hopes to pass the exam. You finished all 40 sentences. Great job practicing different topics and speakers. Review these lines tomorrow to remember them. Keep practicing. See you in the next challenge.